talking about those earlier days, who helped you when you were first getting started in the laundry business?
So it's interesting. Well, the seller financing definitely helped. It definitely helped us get our feet in the
Right.
doors of purchasing a store. But the downside of it was the relationships that the previous owner had weren't the best relationships because of practices that happened between them and mechanics and stuff like that. So believe it or not, I think we bought the
Sure.
store with 20 machines or 25 machines. And I think within the first week, there was about 15, 16 machines broken, and we had about nobody to
Oh,
call.
wow.
So getting thrown into it was good, and we learned. We found a mechanic, and lucky enough, I think we had experience in business from the bar that taught us that you need to build relationships. And we kind of started from scratch because we didn't have someone in the business and the family that could help us lead us in the right direction. But calling people, getting numbers and just doing the right thing, I think worked out in a very positive way for us.